guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. So today's video we're going to be doing a makeup, let's say a review and demo. I'll show you guys the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. This is what the palette looks like. I'm super excited, guys, because I couldn't wait to get my hands on this. I actually went to Ulta and I purchased it because I was gonna purchase it online, and I'm like, no, I can't wait 3 days, so I just go get it myself. So I went in Ulta and I purchased it, and yeah, so I will be doing more tutorials on this palette just because I know I always do pinks. I always gravitate to purples, pinks, but this is what my cup of tea is, you know. I love these colors. I love all these colors and what the palette looks like. It's amazing. I usually thrive to these colors and I get so into these colors. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing more looks, like more neutral looks, more natural looks, more deep tone looks, more smoky eyes. I will be doing more tutorials on my channel, so if you guys are interested in seeing more videos on tutorials on this palette, let me know down below. I'm still gonna do them, but just give me a thumbs up and let me know down below, because I want to see who's looking and who's supporting me, who's supporting you, girl. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. This is gonna be more of a tutorial, a review, and basically the shadows, the palette works amazing. The shadows I used today were great. All of them were great, just I got a lot of fallout, so just be aware of that. The palette does have a lot of fallout when you know, you'll be seeing it in the video. So basically that's it. So I will go ahead and insert the clips now so you guys can see the tutorial, and yeah. go ahead and cut my crease. This brush gives me a good crease. This is the Wet n Wild small little brush like this. It's a Wet n Wild brush. I fucking love this for cutting my crease, guys. It's bomb. So see. And the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the end results for the makeup look. This is what I did, and I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I hope you guys like what it came out looking like. So I will be doing more videos with the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is the volume 2. I will be doing more tutorials with this soon in my channel. So this is the first one I did, which is pinks. I always gravitate to pinks, guys. I'm sorry, this is just what I love. Pinks. I'm gonna try to work with this palette and try to make more different looks with the palette, just because it has a lot of variety of colors, which is purples, pinks, oranges, yellows, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and give me a thumbs up.